Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is frustration with FinCEN. And FinCEN stands for Financial, that's the FIN, Crimes Enforcement Network. I've suddenly lost that N, but it's a U.S. federal government agency division designed to prevent financial fraud. So the first point is this is not something that normally a tax professional or a financial advisor or a financial coach would get involved with. Normally, when we're talking about a criminal issue or criminal prevention issue, we consider that to be an area of law, and we would advise someone to speak with their attorney. Most attorneys, as far as I know, have opted to stay out of this specific area at this time. And so that by default, I have, because I provide a blanket service for small businesses, basically, if it's a small business paperwork issue, I generally take care of it. So I have been taking care of FinCEN filing reports, what are called business ownership information reports, up until this week. And then this week, I notified all of my clients that wherever I was in the process, I was simply abandoning work. And that was simply because a federal judge, I think we covered in this earlier topic this last week, that a federal judge stopped the enforcement of that piece of federal legislation. It's 3 years old, and the deadline was December 31st, and a federal judge stopped it with less than 1 month to go. Will it be reinstated in appeals? Will it go to a Supreme Court ruling? We just don't know. But my point was that I was simply stopping work wherever I was. One client wrote to me, letting me know that he was not pleased with my communication. And I'm just going to read the couple sentences here. Hey, can you reread your email from the eyes of a small business owner in year-end stress who hasn't heard of FinCEN, other than you telling them that now you have to file one more thing, and definitely hasn't heard about what yesterday's surprise ruling was about? How would this email make you feel if you were in that position? So I get it loud and clear, the frustration coming from this client. The frustration is coming from me as well and other professionals. We are being jerked around by government. No other way to put it. And what will happen in the future, we just don't know. But the appropriate thing for me is to not provide legal advice, but to simply state what my position was. And my position was I had previously offered to file these, and now I've withdrawn that offer and I've stopped work on that because we just don't know what's up and where this is headed. So that's the frustration with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network at this point, and would welcome your comments, feedback, thoughts on the topic through social media comments, or if you have a specific concern and want to talk one-on-one, I'm happy to do that. Just track me down at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.